Hey guys, I wanted to show you my new Tow Smart trailer that I picked up a few weeks ago. It's to haul our golf cart. Throw it over there. Sorry, somebody's mowing their lawn now. I'll show you how it all hooks up, folds apart. It stores in the garage actually. I can stand it up. So let me get it all hooked up and I'll load the golf cart. I'll show you guys how it all works. Okay guys, here we go. It's all hooked up to the truck now. You can see with the bed folded here, the trailer actually folds in half. This section actually does come up when you fold it. See if I can do it with one hand here. Yeah, so it actually comes up. It locks in place too if you want to leave it up on your trail if you don't have anything on there. But yeah, this is it. It's a pretty nice little trailer. I like how it folds up, stores in the garage. I got the little brackets on there for the golf cart. I'll show you how to load that in a second. Here's the ramps. We'll put those on the back here in a minute. And yeah, we'll get the rest of it all hooked up, hook up the lights, and yeah, I'll show you guys how to load the golf cart. Okay guys, you can see it got the ramp on there, or the ramps on there now. So yeah, we'll just drive it up and strap it down. I do like to put something right here behind the back of the trailer, just something that the trailer can come down on in the back, so there's not so much upward pressure up on the hitch here when the trailer or when the golf cart comes on. It actually pulls really hard on that, so if that was to fail up there, yeah, it would flip down or flip out straight up in the air. So I just put something back there just to give it a little bit of support. All right, let's get the golf cart loaded. Okay guys, we're here in the golf cart now. Let's get this thing going here. I can see the batteries at 100%. Since we are going to the beach, I figure I'd charge it up. This little strap right here, it's actually to hold the windshield in, because I actually have to load the golf cart in backwards because all the weight of this thing is in the back. So I would have no tongue weight if I loaded it, you know, drive it straight on. So I actually back it up on the trailer. All right, let's get those ramps lined up first. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay guys, you can see I got it all loaded up here. Got all the tie downs on. These tie downs are actually really incredible. They do not allow this golf cart to move at all. I put the ones in the front just for safety reasons, but I need to redo that. I don't really like how that is. That's gonna break for sure, but we're not going that far, so I think I'll be okay. And then the back straps are so strong. And I also have it chained. It's actually padlocked, chain locked underneath here a couple of times, so it's not gonna come off. You can see under there. But yeah, those straps are really nice. I highly recommend those. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to get some of those. All right, we'll check back in when we get to our destination of Pismo. Get it unloaded and we'll do some beach shots there too.